Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm here at the allotment and I'm going into this place known as my compost bin, and I'm telling you, I'm here to get that black gold. The black gold I'm talking about is not the gold that you wear, the gold that you sell. Actually, some people do sell it, but this is my black gold, which is compost that I've been doing for the whole year, and there is so much in here. Let me give you guys a look at this. Look at it right at my feet. This is just pure black gold. There is some over here that hasn't been finished decomposing, so I wanted to retrieve all this beautiful rich soil here at the bottom that's completely fully finished in the composting process. Look at that. Look at all them insects in there. Look at that. This is beautiful. I don't even know if that's how the song goes, but let's get into this and show you what I'm going to be doing to get this compost box restarted. Yes, it's that time. So to start all of our composting, you know, all the beautiful organic matter that's going to be around us when we're harvesting all of the stuff, get it in the compost bin and fill them up, leave them, and then you'll be getting perfect soil ready for your garden. And it's rich with beautiful stuff and insects. Don't worry about those things. They help the garden. So let's get this out here and I'll show you how I process this and get it in my garden just behind there. You know, that's how I get these beautiful things right here. Getting in the black gold from the compost bin and feeding my soil. Let me get it out. Let me get some out and I'll show you the process, how I do it and why I do it. See these guys? Just taking out 5 beautiful, these are 10-liter buckets or pots. They are amazing. They hold quite a lot. I still have quite a lot over there to dig out, and yeah, so what I'm going to do now, because let me show you quickly. In here I have my wheelbarrow just right there. Let me get this thing steady. You know how it is when you're doing it by yourself, everything is a little bit tricky, but it comes with the thing. So I have my wheelbarrow here, and what I'm going to get, just grab one of the buckets quickly, sieve it through with a crate that I have, because I don't really want too much of the big bits. And sometimes you might find a bit of plastic, because you never know. When you look at that, there's a bit of plastic here and you don't want it in your garden. So let me get this into a rubbish bag. Actually, let me just leave it on the side for the moment because all the big bits I don't want. I just want that smooth, soft soil. I don't really mind if a little bit goes in there, but not too much. So I just want to use the spade right now. Just push it through the holes. More plastic. You see, sometimes some of the boxes that we use while doing it, or you know, when you put in things or when you take people other scraps, you don't know what's in it, and sometimes there's plastics. You just got to really go through and look at that. All of this will go back in. These are going to go back in and continue to decompose for next time, which is probably next year, or it could be later on this year, who knows. But look at that. Look at that fluffy, beautiful soil. And this is what I mean by black gold. And all of this is just going to go perfect. And the benefit of this, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me bring you guys down closely. If you look over there, you might see some worms wiggling around. Or let me just pick up some and show you. Tell me if you see a worm. Tell me if you see a worm. This is pretty much going to go. And worms are so amazing for your garden because of worm casting. This is top grade stuff. And I did it by myself with my garden and all the scraps, all the vegetables that I've harvested, all my food scraps from home, and everybody can be doing this. And in the long term, it saves you money, and you know what you're putting on top of your soil, and you're making the soil healthier with those beautiful worms that's going to be doing an amazing job for your garden. It's all about the black gold. Gardener's black gold is not something that you wear, but it's something that you treasure, and it's all beautiful, and you did it for yourself. Full circle, full-fledged, full food. You are what you eat. So please do not forget to garden and start composting. It's the time of the year to get all of those stuff cracking on before the cold comes into you. Especially, I'm living in the UK, the cold is coming, but today is beautiful. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Please do not forget to take care of yourself and the planet, because we have to. And start composting, because you can have black gold just like me. See you guys next time.